Welcome back. Now we have 4 MP3s, each with different purposes. The first is premium content that we're going to deliver in a download. The second is a promotional clip that we're going to deliver through streaming. The third is promotion for listeners that we are also going to deliver through streaming. And then we're going to use the fourth as part of a podcast. So each one requires a different kind of hosting. The first, which we're delivering as a download, is very simple. All we'll need to do is to send this file to a compressed file or zip it and then host it someplace where we host our downloads. In this case, someplace like Dropbox, Google Drive, or Amazon S3 is fine to deliver this file. Now the second clip is a promotional clip. And although this will be streamed, we do not expect a lot of ongoing bandwidth. So what we're going to do is we're going to host this clip inside of some kind of cloud hosting. Again, perhaps Dropbox, Amazon S3, or someplace where we can stream the MP3 audio. We'll want to drag and drop our file into a cloud-based server like Dropbox. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click this share button, and then we're going to create a link. We're then going to copy this link, and we're then going to put it inside of our notepad file. What you're going to notice is that this clip has the MP3 extension. That means that we can deliver this clip and have it stream from a computer that accesses this file. And we're going to test this by taking this entire clip, we're going to copy it, and then we're going to head to our web browser. And when we place the clip, you'll see that there is a play button available for this particular clip. Now because this third clip is going to be a streaming clip also and available to the public, we can deliver that file also through some kind of cloud-based storage that does not have to be secure. So we would drag and drop this file also to our Dropbox. We're now going to take this extension off the end. We're now going to copy the entire link to test it inside of our browser. And the player itself indicates that the file is ready to be streamed. Now the last file, which is for a podcast, should be placed inside of a podcast host. In some cases, you may want to use a site like Amazon S3. However, you want to use a host that is made for the constant bandwidth streaming and downloading associated with podcasting. And a simple search indicates that there are several podcast hosting sites that you can use. Many start out as free and or low cost. So once you have your content hosted, you are then ready to begin making it available to the public. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.